What up, y'all? Every penny counts. I want to show y'all about this app, Checkpoints, real quick. I've done a video on it before. Basically, you just go in the stores, scanning different barcodes, whatever they have on the app, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing on this app. I click on it. You'll see here I have 2,521 points. Like I say, you're just going to different stores and scanning products. Like, it'll show you stores that are in your area. Like for me, I live like right next door to Aldi, so it'll show me products to scan in Aldi. You know what I'm saying? You can it asks you a question. You don't really have to pay attention to that. I click none of these. Click next. Give it 1 second, then I just back out and look. If I go in there, I scan any of these Ragu, I get 25 points each. All right, that's how it works in that. It goes to a different store, Walgreens. Scan these, you get 25 points for each barcode that you scan. All right, so you know what I'm saying, just try to find all of these products. You don't have to buy them. All you have to do is scan the barcode. It's just that simple. Walmart, same thing. You know what I'm saying, just finding different products to scan. That's all it is. So it's money in the app. You know what I'm saying, like you can really just make a lot of money just scanning products with this one app. And actually I have enough for a reward. So you see here, you have to have 2,500 for $5 PayPal cash. I'm gonna click on that and click on redeem at the bottom and put in all my information real quick. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I got all the information in. I got to cover it up because there's some personal information showing, but they're going to be sending me $5 PayPal cash. All I got to do is basically click send my reward. So I'm going to do that. And then I have to enter my phone number. You have to do a verification. So I'm going to pause the video again real quick for that. And I'm back, and you see here it's on the way. It says allow it to 14 days for their prize, but most users get it much faster. And I do usually get it fast. I get it within like 3 days. So you see my point balance went down. I do have the $5 PayPal cash sent to me. Like I said, it'll be a few days, and I just got it by scanning products. It's very simple to do. Not that difficult. I mean, it's not a lot to this app. I just wanted to show you that, guys, that I'm still using it. I'm still getting paid from it. And you know, just that simple. Just go in the stores near you. Whatever products they show, just scan the barcode. Get 25 points for each barcode you scan. So that's it for this video. And always remember, every penny counts.